How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can charge your Huawei MatePad 11.5 wireless keyboard. So if you got this keyboard right here, basically you can simply charging it by doing nothing. Now, what do I mean by that? So when you go ahead and insert your tablet onto your keyboard right here, you will it will then be connected to this magnetic pin. Now, it will then go ahead and wirelessly charge the tablet itself after being connected with the tablet. So to make it simple, it will draw the power from the tablet itself, basically enabling us to just use the keyboard right here wirelessly and without it ever needing to be charged. So that's how simple it is. But of course, if you have something like this one, you could just use something like USB-C. But normally, it will draw power from the tablet and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.